G'day kids, Ozzie here. Now just before we get stuck into today's episode, if you haven't seen it already, our merchandise is now live on our website, aussieforkids.com, where you can get all of your favourite Aussie items like the Aussie hat, made especially for kids' heads, or the mini replica Aussie tee. How cool is that? All for our mini Aussie fans. And if you love Aussie that much, you can even get 3 things in a combo: a hat, a shirt, and a sweatband, all on our website. But one of my favourite items is this one, the Aussie socks, with this little touch here. Stay keen, kids, as always. Available right now on our website, aussieforkids.com. In the meantime, kids, enjoy this episode and stay keen.
Ozzie, 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 oi. Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of mine.
G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie. G'day Ozzie.
G'day kids, it's Ozzie here. Now we are back for some more lawn mowing fun. If you haven't seen them already, you need to go and check out our other lawn mowing videos on our channel. They have definitely become fan favorites. So today we have got a very exciting one for you. We're going to do something a little bit different, something I've never done with a lawnmower before. We're going to see if we can use my trusty friend here, the electric lawnmower, to create some shapes, maybe some letters in this lawn here. Then, if you can see behind me, we've got some coloured powder. What could that be used for? Well, you have to stick around to find out. So let's get stuck in, kids. It's a pretty hot day here in Sydney in Australia. So safety first, let's put on some sun cream and we'll get our safety goggles and our earmuffs on and we will get stuck in. Safety glasses and of course earmuffs, because those lawnmowers can be loud. So come on kids, let's go. Grab your little lawnmower, push along beside me, or follow along at home, wherever you are, and let's get stuck into creating some shapes here in this overgrown lawn. Thanks to the owner, it's going to be a tough one. Let's go. Oh, I almost forgot, kids. This episode, we have hidden 5 Aussie items around this Aussie backyard. So see if you can look really closely and spot what they might be. Make sure you keep your eyes peeled though. They're very well hidden. Righto kids, let's have lots of fun in this episode. This is hot, sweaty work, especially when the grass is left to grow so long. But it's going to be perfect for what we're going to do here today. You can see I've made a border around the outside in a rectangle shape. Can you see that? Now, I'm going to mow another one inside and then the fun starts. Let's go. might be wondering right now, what is Ozzie doing? Well, I've got a border around the outside, this big rectangle in the middle, and that is going to become the place where I use this lawnmower to try my best to write the word Ozzie. Can you spell it with me? O-Z-Z-I-E. O-Z-Z-I-E, Ozzie! Just there, in case you've forgotten, O-Z-Z-I-E. So I'm going to try and write that in the grass with the lawnmower. I'm going to try and create the logo in the grass. Wish me luck. Hey, got to have a try, don't we? Got to have some fun. Let's see how we go. Okay, so I've got the border, I've got this middle section mapped out, and that's going to be our canvas. That's what we're going to create our picture or our word Ozzie on. Now the grass is about this long, so we're going to need to drop the mower all the way down to the bottom. So the deck is now sitting at its shortest height. And that, hopefully, is going to help us create those letters. All right, let's see how we go. O. Now it's time for the Z. O, Z, Z. I'll tell you what, it's hot work out here in the hot Australian sun, but I reckon we're going okay. What do you think, kiddos? We've got an O, we've got a Z. You know what that letter is, right? It's the same as that one. It's a Z. What's next? O, Z, Z. I. That's right, the blue one. Blue one. Imagine if we could do it with colour. That would look cool. Colour. That colour over there before. That's a good idea, kids. All right, let me just, one thing at a time. Let's focus on this. Let's get the I and the E. We'll get that done, then we'll see if we can use that coloured powder. This is fun. We've got the O, we've got the Z, a Z, an I, and we need an E. O-Z-Z-I-E, Ozzie! What do you reckon? Can you kids see it? Maybe we should send the camera up into the sky so that we can see the letters O-Z-Z-I-E, Ozzie! But it's not a logo. It's not Ozzie's true logo if it doesn't have any colours in it, does it? So we need to put some colours. We need this colour, green, yellow, red, blue, purple. Good job, kids. So let's get those coloured powders that I had before. That's right, you guessed it. Those powders that we had on the table at the start, that's exactly what these are for. We're gonna sprinkle those inside these letters and bring this logo to life, make it pop, send the camera up into the sky, and then check out our magic work right here today with a lawnmower, just for you kids. Let's go. Got to get rid of this excess grass clippings. Don't need that on here. You want it? You got it. Let's get some colour into this bad boy. First colour of the logo is the O, and it's green. So you're wondering what this stuff is? It's actually called Holi colour powder. It's exactly what they use in a colour run, and it's from the Hindu festival, Holi. And in another episode of ours, we show you actually how to make your own. So make sure you check that one out. Right, on to the next colour. Look, this is yellow. This stands out a whole lot better on the grass than the green, doesn't it? Because the green on green is a little hard to see. But the yellow on green stands out heaps better. All right, green, yellow, red, blue. Which leaves only one more letter and one more colour, and that's E, and we need the purple. What do you reckon, kids? I think it's turned out pretty cool. It's been so much fun cutting these letter shapes into the lawn. I love lawn mowing, and I know you love it too, but how good is it creating our very own Ozzie logo, the 5 letters O-Z-Z-I-E, Ozzie, and then our colours, of course, green, yellow, red, blue, and purple. Kids, did you spot the 5 things that were hidden around this backyard? I hope you did. Well, I can see a couple right now. But kids, this has been so much fun. I think there's one thing left to do. It's been fun putting the colour on the ground. Why don't we put some colour on Ozzie, and then we'll send the drone up into the sky and check out this, because I think it's going to look pretty good from up there. So kids, until next time, stay keen. We'll see you on another brand new episode this Sunday. But right now, let's get coloured. Yew! Hit me. Ah! Okay kids, the lawn mowing is done. Well, half done. We've put the logo into the lawn. We've coloured it. And then of course, Ozzie had to get coloured too. How much fun is a colour run? Now kids, let's send that drone high up into the sky and check out how good this logo actually looks from all the way up there. See you again soon. Stay keen. If you haven't already, make sure you get a grown-up to help you hit that subscribe button. That way you won't miss out on any of the new and exciting videos that we put out. Speaking of new and exciting, if there's a video that you'd love to see Ozzie do, make sure you send us a message on our socials, on Facebook or Instagram at Ozzie for Kids. We'll see you again soon, kids. And until then, stay keen. Oh, and by the way, did you happen to find the hidden Ozzie icon in that video? Yeah, make sure you look closely because they're in every single video. That's right. Stay keen, kids.
Ozzie, 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 oi! Ozzie is a friend of yours and he's a friend of